Hey, welcome back to Tech Leveler. I'm Lee, and today I have another Amazon Firestick tutorial. And in this one, I'm going to show you how to fix no signal or a black screen on your Amazon Firestick. So, first things first, what I'd recommend doing is unplugging the Firestick from the HDMI it's currently in. And if you have any spare HDMIs, plug it into that one. So if you're in HDMI 1, plug it into HDMI 2. Then when it reboots, see if it gets past the black screen. If not, what we want to do then is the second step. And this involves completely powering off your Firestick. So take it out of the wall socket, so there's no power to it, and wait around a minute to 2 minutes and then plug it back in. And then your Amazon Firestick should reboot and hopefully you'll get past that black screen. If not, there is other options, so let's work on them. The unplugging and plugging it back in doesn't work. You can soft reset your Amazon Firestick by pressing the home button down and the middle select button. Holding these down for around 10 to 20 seconds should reboot your Firestick. This gives it a soft reboot. So hopefully when it comes back on again, you will get past the black screen. But don't worry if that doesn't work, there's more steps that we're going to show you. Now it could be a resolution problem, so press the rewind button and the up button on the D-pad, and this should then start to change the resolution on your Firestick. And what you want to do is select the one what is your TV. So hopefully then you should get past that black screen. Again, there's more that we can do if this doesn't fix the problem, so let's move on to that. Now another option if you're plugged into your TV with a USB and not into a power source, try plugging into a power source rather than straight into the back of your TV with a USB, as sometimes not all TVs are powerful enough to power the Firestick. So if you try it into a power source in the wall socket and it starts to work, this could be a problem and you will need an adapter for your TV. Now if this all fails, the last thing you want to try is factory reset your Amazon Firestick, and you can do this by holding down the back button and the right button on your D-pad of your Firestick remote. And this should then pop up to factory reset your Amazon Firestick. But remember, before you do that, everything will be deleted. So it's worth only doing this as a last resort, as you'll need to install everything that you've put on your Firestick and log back into everything. So that's some practical steps how to fix no signal or a black screen on your Amazon Firestick. If you found that helpful, don't forget to smash the like, hit the subscribe button for many more Firestick tutorials like this one, and thanks for watching.